Alright, YouTube, what's good? It's y'all boy Khiii right here, back on a content creation tip, you feel me? And I know I ain't been as consistent as I'm supposed to be, but I just been living, working, grinding for real, adapting to with the new spring semester school year. But I know that ain't no excuse, so we back with another video. And right now, it's an important week in HBCU history for Bowie State University, as it is the spring 2025 Torchfest week at Bowie State University. And for those of you that may not know, Torchfest is basically a homecoming part 2 for the spring semester for all students at Bowie State University. Basically a time like 2 or 3 weeks before finals week for spring semester, a time for students to just wind down, chill with some friends, go check out some on-campus activities and events, just to kind of wind down their nerves, calm down right before they take their finals and finish off the spring semester strong. So I'm glad that y'all could be right here with me, as I will be performing for one of the concerts. You'll see the vibes. It's really beautiful outside right now. The weather's looking nice. Everybody popping out, everybody outside, dressing good, looking good, all the above, you feel me? So I'm gonna see y'all, and y'all gonna see me. Look at this beautiful day outside on the Bowie State campus, you feel me? See, everybody be saying our campus is small, this and that, but I think our campus is beautiful, in my opinion. It's just enough. And we still expanding this year too, you feel me? So. Got somebody behind me. Can't get ran over out here now. What's up, Zaire? How you doing? How you good? It's my boy Zaire right here, man. I worked with him last summer as a supplemental instructor. He's just gonna give y'all a couple words about what Bowie State represents real quick. So what does school represent, bro?
I think it's about progress and pushing people forward to do excellent things beyond your 4 years here at Bowie State University as well, especially in the field of education, which is the best field ever.
Education, yeah. If y'all, any education members, any education majors planning on studying that, get right with my man Zaire Bond. He's gonna get y'all right for the Department of Education here at Bowie State University and at other schools if that applies, you feel me? But yeah, no doubt. What's up, man? Oh, you vlogging too? Oh yeah, I'm on the vlog too. It's my man Prince right here, Mr. Sophomore.
Correct.
Yeah, you feel me? The one and only.
The one and only.
But
this is Khiii. Y'all know, Khiii, double I, yeah.
3 eyes, triple eyes. Now you good, fam? He called it though.
Correct.
Just one of my scholars right here, man. We having a good time, Torchfest. You know what I'm saying? Good vibes, everybody outside. You know the vibes, you feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like real quick.
What you gotta do?
Yeah, we deep outside, you feel me? So yeah. Bowie State University, man, Torchfest, y'all know the vibes, HBCU, Black excellence, all that, you feel?
Yeah. I can't see
with my homegirls right here on my phone. I gotta get her right here, you know what I'm saying? I got Justice, Amaya, Nazaria.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you feel me? You see, I ain't forget. That'd be wild as hell. But yeah, I'm about to do the zip line, y'all.
We all are.
Got these two doing the zip line with me as well. She not doing the zip line. She gonna record us doing the zip line. Yeah. Oh wait, hold on. I'm about to see what it's like, because I ain't get to do this last year. They had it up last year, but I was in class, so I couldn't do it at the time. But now I'm out of class, so y'all know the vibes. I'm about to rock this show out. Dang, I did not catch it.
Never mind.
Oh, there. Bow, nigga. Bow, nigga.
Yo, what's up, yo? It's my nigga G9 right here, yo.
Got my man Zay G9 right here with Khiii, you feel me? Torchfest 2025, spring edition, you feel me? Bowie State University.
That's right.
We live and shit, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I got the man right here, oh yeah.
What's up, bro?
What's up,
What's
my boy?
up,
How
bro?
you?
What's
Say
up,
what's up
brother,
to the
man?
vlog.
I'm good, man.
Man right here on the vlog, you feel me? What sign at? What man with the plan at? Oh, I'm a man with the plan right here.
What's up, my boy? Hey,
Good,
shout out
cuz, how
to
you?
God, bro. Y'all niggas better subscribe, real shit.
Facts, you know it.
Trying to go up, bro. Come
Right
on.
here with no limit, you know it.
Nah, hold up. Not even no limit no more. It's new bills with 2 Z's at the end.
Oh, wow, my man getting all them new bills, chasing them dead prezzies, you feel me? Nah, for real. All right, y'all, so I'm right here with the one and only Coach T, the wonderful woman that put all this together for Bowie State University, you feel me? And she got a couple words for y'all real quick.
Hey everybody, so it's Torchfest. Torchfest is like your spring thing, not your spring, your spring thing. We're outside. We got what? We got food. Food is sponsored by Aladdin. So shout out to the Bowie card office, Bulldog card.
Yeah, they made it all possible.
Shout out to Cab. We got out here, we got bumper cars, we got a basketball jumping round, we got a mile winder, we got a zip line, we got it all. Got a little music, little food, little fun, right?
Yep, all the events. I enjoyed the zip line and the little spin around jump
You did?
too.
That was
Yeah,
cool.
the little merry-go-round looking
Yeah, I'm not
jump.
enjoying it. See, Coach T growing up. See, that merry-go-round make me, make me.
Yeah,
Right,
nah, that jump made me a little dizzy getting off it. I ain't gonna lie, but yeah, thank you so much for putting this all together.
Always,
I'm really
anytime.
grateful for it.
I'm grateful for wonderful people like you, and congratulations for making that dean's list. BSU.
BSU. Yeah. But we on our way to the AKA probate right now. You feel me? For the spring 2025. Yeah, spring 2025. Yeah, right here with my man Zay again. You feel me? Right here with 9 and shit. Right outside the JEP building, James E. Proctor Jr. You know, they looking clean as hell though. Wait, that ain't the line though, ain't it? The line was behind it. Oh, all right. Yeah, we about to see these fine young women cross over into the finer, more divine young woman that they truly are, you know what I mean? So, we about to see what that presentation looking like. I'm gonna catch y'all. All right, y'all, so update. I will not be performing today. I will be performing on Wednesday evening for the concert, for the Torchfest, you feel me?
Yeah, y'all. I don't know what he said, but
due
yeah.
to technical difficulties, yeah, I'll be performing Wednesday.
Oh yeah, I'm be hyping him up, y'all.
His thing about
You
to
with
die,
me?
y'all, so we have to reserve.
Yeah,
the
my joint
memory.
at 2% though, so we gotta preserve the memory. I was just updating y'all real quick on that.
Okay, you ready? Okay,
But
hold
we
on.
out though.
We out.
Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, the probate is currently going on at the moment. I ain't want to leave early, but I had a last minute meeting I gotta attend to as a residential assistant. So you know, duty calls first, gotta be responsible with this new position that I obtained. So we about to go see what they talking about over there, and hopefully we can make it back over here. What's up, man? How you? What's up, man? Yo, say what's good to the vlog.
What's good?
What's good, gang? How you?
Big Mike right here, man.
Nah, man, got Mike right here, got my boy Demi right here, got my boy Dude right here, got my man's the one and only RD for Khiii, Mr. McCoy, also known as Yay Mom with me, but you know, professionally Mr. McCoy. Great guy right here, all great men right here, you know what I mean? Alright y'all, so we just got finished with the little RA last minute meeting. Just got a couple of things down for scheduling in terms of Torchfest, how the desk duty's about to be looking like for the rest of the week. You know, just regular typical work stuff. Ain't gonna say too much, you know what I mean? But as of right now, it's looking like Torchfest day one was pretty good a success. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know how the lighting looking right here, but it was a pretty cool day overall. Got some good events that I interacted with. Got to meet up with some good friends, caught up with some old ones as well that, you know, just came out here to show some love, show some support for the school and things of that nature, which, you know, is always a good sight to see. As of right now, I'm about to see what it's looking like in terms of what the aftermath of the probate's looking like right now. So I'm about to be back headed to the new MLK building, see what that vibe looking like. And yeah, we just gonna see how the night go from there. But as of right now, the Torchfest day 1 has come to a conclusion. If y'all see any further clips, it's just wherever the night might take me tonight. On this beautiful Monday, you know what I mean? But thank y'all for watching thus far. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one along with this series and playlist of Torchfest 2025 Spring at Bowie State University.
Let me get out of their way.